Let's install the observation-oriented modeling software onto a flash drive, or what is also known as a thumb drive. So I have a blank flash drive inserted into my personal computer. I have my web browser open here, and I have navigated to the observation-oriented modeling website. Now the address for the website is www.ideogrid.com/OOM/. So on the website, we want to go to the free download link. So we'll select that link, and that takes us to an information request page. I can just auto-fill it here, and you have to type in some sort of comment, I believe, before the submit button will take you to the next website or the next web page. So select the submit button only once, as it sometimes takes a few moments. Here it didn't take too long. So we're on the download website here, and we see the OOM install.exe file. Also notice the update here. The most recent version of the software is February 23rd, 2019, as of this recording. Now in the future, I will continually update the software. So you need to revisit this website every once in a while anyway, and make sure you're working with the most up-to-date version of the program. So we'll select the link here. We see on the bottom left that the program is downloading, and once it's finished, we can select the little up arrow and select open. And I get this message from Windows where it isn't sure what OOM is, and so it doesn't want to install it. It doesn't know who the publisher is of OOM specifically. So it says don't run, but you can select this little link here, more info, and it'll tell you the name of the file, and then again it says unknown publisher. Microsoft has no idea who OOM was published by. And now we can select run anyway. That's the most important thing, so we'll select that. And we get the installation splash screen. Now, it's very important. What we need to do here is select options. So right under the install button, select the options. And notice it's trying to install on my hard drive. I want to change that to the flash drive. So I'll select the little button here with the 3 dots. And I need to navigate down and find the flash drive. And here it's just titled on my computer here, USB drive, and it's the iDrive on my computer here. So I'll select that and select OK. And now it will install to the iDrive, the flash drive. We want to go ahead and deselect these options. We don't need to create a shortcut on the desktop or create shortcuts on the start menu, nor do we need to associate the OOM software particular files. Again, because what we're doing here is we're installing onto a flash drive, and we want to make this portable so we can take it to other PCs. So we don't need to do anything on this particular personal computer. So I'll select OK after deselecting those tasks, and now I can go ahead and install. Now on my computer, I get an additional warning. So if I look on my taskbar, I get this little shield. Now I'm going to click this, but it won't show up on the screen capture. For whatever reason, it just won't record it. But I'm going to select this, and it's again going to ask me, do you really want to install the software? So I select it, and I'm going to say, yes, I do want to install the software. And now it begins the installation. It takes a little bit longer here because we're copying to a flash drive, as is usually the case. And it's finished. Now we can select launch the software. We get the little splash screen for the program, and there you have it. So we have successfully installed onto the flash drive. If we look under help and about OOM, we can see the date here for the version of the software. Again, you can check this, compare it to what you saw on the website to make sure they're the same. That way you know you are working with the most recent version of the program. So I'll select OK here and then go ahead and kill the program and minimize my browser. I want to go to Windows Explorer here, and notice I'm on my iDrive, my flash drive, and I have a folder now on the flash drive titled OOM. If I double click that, I can see that the program is just one file. It's oom.exe. So if I double click that, it will run the program. So you can run OOM right from your flash drive then on any PC to which you have access. So I'm going to kill it here. We'll review some of these other details of things that have been installed in another video, but quickly you'll see that there are, double click that, there are multiple OOM datasets that have installed on your flash drive as well, and the technical manual has installed also. So again, we'll review some of that in additional videos. But there you have it, fairly straightforward way to install the software on a flash drive so you can run it on any other PC.